Imagine a world where digital humans are indistinguishable from real ones, where they can think, learn, and interact with us in a way that's almost magical. This world is not as far-fetched as it sounds, thanks to the rapid advancements in generative AI, which is revolutionizing the field of digital humans and changing the way we interact with technology forever. So, what exactly are digital humans, and how do they work? Simply put, digital humans are computer-generated characters that can be used in a variety of applications, from video games and movies to virtual reality experiences and even customer service chatbots. They're created using a combination of 3D modeling, animation, and artificial intelligence, which allows them to move, talk, and interact with their environment in a way that's incredibly realistic. But what makes generative AI so special, and how is it being used to create these digital humans? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that's capable of generating new, original content, such as images, videos, and even entire virtual worlds. It's like a superpowered version of the AI you might find in a chatbot or virtual assistant, but instead of just answering questions or performing tasks, it can actually create new things from scratch. One of the most exciting applications of generative AI is in the field of character creation. With generative AI, artists and designers can create entirely new characters, complete with their own unique personalities, appearances, and backstories, in a matter of minutes. This is a game changer for the entertainment industry, where creating realistic characters can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. But generative AI isn't just limited to the entertainment industry. It's also being used in fields such as education, healthcare, and even psychology. For example, digital humans can be used to create personalized avatars for students, which can help them learn and engage with material in a more interactive and immersive way. They can also be used to create virtual therapy sessions, where patients can interact with digital humans in a safe and controlled environment. Another area where generative AI is making a big impact is in the field of virtual reality. With generative AI, developers can create entirely new virtual worlds, complete with their own unique landscapes, characters, and storylines. This is a huge deal for the gaming industry, where creating realistic and immersive virtual environments can be a major challenge. So, how does generative AI actually work? It's based on a type of machine learning called deep learning, which involves training neural networks on vast amounts of data. This training process allows the AI to learn patterns and relationships within the data, which it can then use to generate new, original content. For example, if you wanted to create a digital human using generative AI, you might start by feeding the AI a large dataset of images and videos of real humans. The AI would then use this data to learn about the patterns and structures of the human face and body, which it could then use to generate entirely new, realistic faces and bodies. This process is not only incredibly powerful, but it's also highly efficient. With generative AI, you can create entire armies of digital humans in a matter of minutes, each with their own unique appearance and personality. This is a huge deal for industries such as gaming and film, where creating realistic characters can be a major challenge. But what about the potential risks and challenges of generative AI? One of the biggest concerns is the potential for AI-generated content to be used for malicious purposes, such as creating fake news stories or spreading propaganda. There's also the risk that AI-generated characters could be used to manipulate or deceive people, which could have serious consequences. Despite these risks, the potential benefits of generative AI are undeniable. It has the power to revolutionize industries such as entertainment, education, and healthcare, and to create entirely new forms of interactive and immersive storytelling. And as the technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more exciting applications and innovations in the future. So, what's next for generative AI in digital humans? The possibilities are endless, and it's an exciting time to be alive. Whether you're an artist, a developer, or just someone who's interested in the latest advancements in technology, there's never been a better time to get involved and start exploring the incredible world of generative AI. So, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about the latest advancements in technology and innovation.